That's the main goal. You know, we're trying to find keywords that we could use to rank on page 1 and then dive deeper into those niches to see if we can potentially private label a product and bring it to the market. Hey Wealth Web fam, welcome back to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Pretty, and on this channel I talk about how you can build wealth by using the web, and I primarily talk about my Amazon private label business and how I grew that to 7 figures. Today I'm going to talk to you about a new product research method. My goal as a private label seller is to always find products that have potential to rank on page 1, because you know, the more eyeballs that you get to your product, the more clicks, and then ultimately the more conversions you get for that product. Conversions equal sales. So we want to focus on products that we're able to rank on page 1 and that aren't super competitive, that it's almost impossible to rank on page 1. So I was trying to find, you know, products that can rank on page 1, and I just wanted to share this with you guys. I know this is going to be like a gem of a video. I doubt that anyone else on the internet has used this method because, again, it's very unconventional, and I had one goal in mind, which was to rank on page 1. So I'm going to be showing you this tutorial. Super excited. You guys know I love Helium 10. I'm going to be using Helium 10 to show you how to do this product research method. That's the only tool that I use as a 7-figure private label seller. If you haven't tried Helium 10, I highly recommend it. That's how I found my first, second, third product that I've launched on Amazon. So it's just an amazing tool, and I can go on about it forever. But we are going to be using Helium 10, and I'm going to go hop over to my computer screen and get this tutorial started. All right, guys, I'm on Helium 10, and I want to just explain to you what tidal density is before I get into the actual product research. So tidal density refers to how many products are on page 1 with that search term. Now, the higher the tidal density, the worse it is, because we want the tidal density to be really low. If there's a tidal density of 8, there is 8 products on page 1 with that exact keyword, that exact search term. So what we want to do is get the tidal density number to be as low as possible, and we want to embed those keywords in our listing, because again, out of however many listings, there might only be like 4 listings with that keyword, and that will help you rank on page 1. Generally, the lower the tidal density, the better chance you have of ranking on page 1, because those keywords are getting searched and there's not that many products popping up because there's only like a few players with those keywords in that listing. Now, if that didn't make sense, don't worry. I'm going to explain to you exactly what I mean. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So we're going to go into Black Box. This is Amazon's product research tool that I absolutely love. We're going to go to the keyword section right here, and we are going to fill out some of these search terms, and we'll just do minimum search volume of at least 2,000. Maximum, we'll do 100,000. For the monthly revenue, we'll do a minimum of 2,000, and max we'll do 50,000. For price, we'll leave that blank. For review count, I want to do max 300. You know, we try to find niches that have low number of reviews, because that kind of gives you a sign that, okay, there are new competitors coming into this niche that just launched their product, so maybe I can come in, differentiate a product, and launch as well. And this is what we really want to focus on. We want to pick a category that we're interested in as well. So let's just say I'm interested in pet supplies. Let's just do pet supplies, okay? And what we want to do is go to the tidal density area, and we want minimum, we'll just leave that 0. Maximum, we'll do 4. So there's going to be 4 listings on page 1 with this exact keyword that we're going to look for, okay? So again, this is keyword research. So we're looking at keywords that have a low tidal density, which means that not many people are using this keyword in their listing in this specific niche. And if you find something that is getting a lot of searches, that has good revenue, that has a low number of reviews, and that might even have some issues that needs fixing, you have just found yourself a product. And so I'm really excited to run this search. Again, I picked a category. I want my tidal density to be low. You could even do 3, you can do 2. Let's do 4, and then we'll go back and maybe change it and see if we can find something even better, okay? So I'm gonna run the search, and again, when it comes to tidal density, literally the lower that number, the better it is. All right, so let's take a look at the search results. Now, we just wanna keep looking at all of this. I like to stay away from words that are plural because typically you're not gonna be like searching for that. So let's just keep looking. Search volume, decent. I like the fact that this has bad ratings. I would take a look at those and try to see if there's anything that I can come in and fix. But I want to keep looking real quick. And cat exercise wheel indoor. This is getting 2.4K searches. Let's find a little higher search volume. Let's see. So 3,000, 7,000. Okay, let's keep looking. Adult beds. Keep looking. Mushroom cat tree. Okay, let's try this one. It's 4,000 searches. The tidal density is actually 0. So there are 0 listings in this niche that have this exact term. This just shows you that there's a lot of potential to rank on page 1. If I wanted to come in and launch this mushroom cat tree, I literally don't have much competition. I will be on page 1 because no one's using this term in their title, and there's 4,000 searches for it per month. So that just tells you that there is a demand and there's no one that has this key term in that niche. So this is really cool. What I'm gonna do is open this up and let's take a look at how the niche looks. Now, again, the keyword was mushroom cat tree. Now, what that means, none of these people have mushroom cat tree, that specific keyword in the title. Now, they might have mushroom claw scratcher, small cat tree house, but they don't have mushroom cat tree exactly in their title. So if you had that exact search term, that exact keyword in your title, you would rank on page 1 because absolutely no one has it in this niche. Now, is this a competitive niche? I mean, it seems like there's a decent amount of players in this niche. Right here, we can take a look and see that there are new players, low number of reviews, which is good. But it is a really small niche, and if you had that keyword in your title, you can literally rank on page 1. Now, is this a good niche to get into? Well, we want to take a look at the niche a little more in depth by using Helium-10's X-ray extension. Let's see how much money this niche is actually making and whether it's worth trying to sell this product. So that's the main goal. You know, we're trying to find keywords that we could use to rank on page 1 and then dive deeper into these niches to see if we can potentially private label a product and bring it to the market. Having the ability to rank on page 1 ultimately puts you so far ahead because page 1 means you're getting a lot of eyeballs to your product, and you know, eyeballs means clicks, clicks mean conversions, and conversions are sales. So this is awesome. This product, I mean, it's actually making money and it's not super competitive in this niche. I would say there's, you know, at least 53 products. But again, we found a keyword that's getting 4,000 searches per month that if you had this keyword in your listing, along with other keywords that are really doing well, you can rank on page 1. So honestly, I mean, this is a good product. They're making, you know, 4,000, 28,000, 77,000. So this is making 4.7K. This guy right here, another mushroom tree, is 1.3, 7.3K. I like that. That is good. And I'm gonna open this up because I'm genuinely like, whoa, this might be a good product idea. So $27.99 right now. I want to take a look at the BSR, which is the best sellers rank. We want to see how this is doing. So it's 182 in cat scratching posts, 39,000 in pet supplies. Not horrible, not amazing, not horrible, but like, I do like the fact that I know that I can rank on page 1, which kind of makes it more enticing. So what I would do if I was actually trying to sell this product, and now I'm not saying that you should go sell this product, I'm just here to show you a method that is unconventional and that can help you find niches that kind of have more room to enter into and compete in, because again, we're kind of hacking our Amazon private label path almost, because we're finding keywords that will allow you to rank on page 1. So my point with this is I'm gonna look at how much it would cost to source, and if it makes sense, it makes sense. So what I'm gonna do is open up X-Ray again, see how much this product is making. And if you haven't used the X-Ray extension, I don't know how you're getting like a ton of data on products. You absolutely should be using the X-Ray extension. It's free if you have Helium 10. Go to Google Chrome and go to the App Store and type in Helium 10 X-Ray extension, pin that to your dashboard right here, and then it'll like allow you to use it on Amazon. And it's so helpful because it gives you an overview of the niche. So here we can see it's priced at $27.99. It's getting around 262 sales per month. Nice. And it's making around 7.3K per month, which is cool. So I was trying to find suppliers on Alibaba through here, but they can't seem to find suppliers that way. So what I would do is just do mushroom cat scratching post, and we would go to Alibaba.com and we would search this up ourselves, and we would see how much it costs to actually source one of these babies and see how much it would be to get it over here. So right here, pretty easy, we found the cat scratching post for around $7 to $8. And their minimum order quantity MOQ is only 2 pieces, which is awesome because, you know, the lower the MOQ, the easier it is for you to source. Now, I don't know if that's the MOQ for private label. Again, if you want to put your own logo on things, it does require kind of larger order quantities because they're customizing it for you. So just make sure you ask these questions. Hey, can you put a logo on it? Are you able to private label? What's your minimum order quantity? What's the price per unit? Can you maybe add customization? Because again, as a private label seller, you always want to differentiate your product and don't put out the same exact product. So let's say I wanted to bring this to the market, and this actually looks like a different product from the ones that we were seeing earlier. What I would do, I would say like, hey, I want this product, obviously contact supplier right here. And I would be like, I want this mushroom cat scratching pole, but I want this mushroom to be blue, or I want it to be yellow, or I want it to look like an actual mushroom. So can you do something else? So what that would be literally the goal with private label. You want to make it better, you want to make it different, and you ultimately want to bring a high quality product to the market. So this was just an example, guys. This cat scratching post, we found a great keyword that has 0 title density, which means there's no listings that have this exact search term in the title on the first page. So if you were able to come in, put that keyword into your title, you will rank on page 1. And if you don't rank on page 1, you run PPCs like for a day or 2, and you definitely will rank on page 1, which is such a huge advantage. So again, I wanted to show you guys just like how I go about finding products in unconventional ways, because this is the type of stuff that you need to be doing. If you're just doing like product research, you know, there's 1,000 other people out there doing conventional product research as well. I'm not saying you can't find a product, because I found a product doing just basic product research before, but I'm saying like the more advanced you get and the more creative you get in terms of finding products, the higher your success rate is, because you're thinking outside the box and people probably aren't thinking that way, and you have a competitive edge. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me comments down below if you have any questions. And if you want a more extensive tutorial on how to find products to sell on Amazon, check out this video right here.